The mind beyond the mind. They say the human mind is a weapon most people never learn to use. We live trapped in the noise, endless thought loops, emotional chaos, and distractions that drain our power. But what if there was a method to cut through that mental fog? The Silva Method isn't just about relaxation. It's about commanding your inner state, programming your subconscious, and shaping reality from the inside out. Today, you'll learn 7 Silva Method hacks, practical, powerful, and rooted in neuroscience that can help you control your mind, amplify focus, accelerate manifestation, and elevate your mental discipline to a level few ever reach. This isn't theory, it's training for people who want results. Let's get started. 1. The Alpha Level Reset. Control your mental frequency. Most people live in beta, the brainwave state of stress, alertness, and survival. But Silva discovered that the true power begins when you shift to alpha. This is the frequency of creativity, intuition, and calm control. Here's how. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly. Exhale slower. With each breath, count backward from 10 to 1, imagining yourself descending deeper into calmness. This trains your brain to enter alpha on command, a state where intuition sharpens, memory improves, and your emotional grip strengthens. Elite performers, special operatives, and world-class entrepreneurs unknowingly use this state, but Silva trained people to do it consciously. Use it daily for 5 minutes, and you'll start noticing your reactions slow down while your clarity rises. That's the mark of mental mastery. 2. Mirror programming. Rewire self-image for power. Your subconscious doesn't respond to logic, it responds to repetition and emotion. Each morning, look into the mirror, focus into your own eyes, and repeat, I am in control. My mind serves me. I choose my thoughts, and I master my reality. It might sound simple, but Silva's students used mirror programming to destroy limiting beliefs, boost confidence, and rebuild identity from the inside. You're not affirming, you're reprogramming. When combined with alpha breathing, this turns your reflection into a portal of transformation. The brain begins aligning reality to match the image it sees every day. If you've made it this far, your mind is already operating on a higher level than most. Subscribe now because the next videos in this series will take you deeper into mental control, influence, and power. Don't just watch transformation, master it. 3. The mental screen technique. Create, command, and manifest. Silva taught that your mind is a projector and reality is the screen. Here's how you hack it. Visualize your goals as if you're rewatching them play out on a mental movie screen. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the sensations. Then step into the scene and experience it as already real. The secret. Emotion. The stronger you feel it, the faster your subconscious rewires. This is how Silva trained people to heal faster, improve skills, and even manifest opportunities. Don't chase outcomes, project them, feel them, and allow your mind to do the rest. 4. The 3 fingers technique. Instant focus trigger. Imagine being able to drop into calm concentration instantly before a presentation, a test, or a confrontation. Silva's 3 fingers technique is exactly that. Hold 3 fingers together and mentally say, every time I join my fingers, I enter a state of calm focus. Do this while in alpha. After enough repetitions, your mind associates that gesture with instant clarity and control. It's conditioning like Pavlov for your potential. Eventually, that simple gesture becomes a mental trigger for excellence under pressure. 5. The Silva sleep command. Turn rest into power. Most people think sleep is passive. It's not. With Silva's sleep command, you program your subconscious before you drift off. As you lie in bed, enter a relaxed state and say, tonight, I rest deeply. My body heals, my mind grows stronger. I wake up recharged and ready. You're not begging for rest, you're giving your brain clear orders. Over time, your sleep becomes a training ground. You'll wake up sharper, calmer, and ready to dominate the day. 6. The healing hands method. Directing energy intentionally. Energy follows thought. Silva noticed that people could speed up physical healing by focusing attention and warmth toward specific areas of the body. Rub your hands together until you feel heat. Place them over the area you want to improve: your heart, your stomach, your head, and visualize golden light infusing that space. Whether you call it energy, vibration, or neural focus, the effect is the same. Your body responds to intention. Elite athletes use versions of this before competitions. You can too. It's not magic, it's control. 7. The mental command technique. Influence from within. Silva's final hack is about mental communication. When you need to influence a situation or person, not manipulate, but guide, enter alpha. Visualize the individual, and mentally project this, you will see my truth. You will respond positively. You will act with understanding. This isn't about controlling others. It's about aligning communication at a subconscious level. Words may fail, but mental projection bypasses resistance. Used ethically, this turns every interaction into a test of awareness, not dominance. Final words: the silent power within the Silva Method isn't a belief system. It's a manual for the human mind. Each of these 7 hacks strengthens your control over thought, emotion, and reality. Use them daily, not as rituals, but as discipline. And if you're ready to go even deeper into influence, mental warfare, and psychological mastery, I've linked the most powerful guide I've ever found in the pinned comment below. It's called The Complete Guide to Dark Psychology 13-in-1, a deep dive into 201 proven techniques that merge NLP, Silva, persuasion, and covert control. If you want the full arsenal, that's your next move. You're already in motion, don't stop here. Hit subscribe and keep pushing forward into the next layer of mind mastery. Every video builds on the last, and the next one could change how you see everything.